Nature-themed reels like this are currently going viral all over the internet, especially on platforms like Instagram. One faceless Instagram account has amassed over 400,000 followers in just a few months and is making thousands of dollars every month. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how they are doing it, and I'll back everything up with solid proof. The most exciting part is that you can create similar content yourself in just a few minutes without investing a lot of time in scripting or voiceovers. All you need are three simple things: a collection of prompts, a text-to-image AI, and an image-to-video AI. I've compiled a list of top-notch prompts to help you generate stunning images. But before you jump ahead, don't skip this video. If you skip, you might miss some crucial tips and tricks on how to generate high-quality images like theirs.
Step 1. Generating AI images similar to those in the viral nature reels. For this, we'll be using a highly effective AI tool called Leonardo AI. You can find the link in the video description. Once you sign in with your Google account, you will land on a page showcasing a gallery of amazing AI generated images. Leonardo AI isn't entirely free, but they do offer 150 free credits each day, which is more than enough for creating the type of content we need. After you are logged in, head over to the image creation section. Here you will see a text box where you can enter your prompt. I prepared a set of carefully curated prompts which you can access for free from the video description. Copy and paste these prompts one by one into the text box. You can also make minor edits to these prompts to create unique variations. If you've used Midjourney AI before, you'll be happy to know that these prompts are compatible there too. For Reels 2 to 3, for standard images, I'm using 9x16. In this example, next, go to the preset options and select the anime preset. Once you hit generate, the tool will work its magic and produce stunning visuals in a matter of seconds. As you can see, I've generated some beautiful images with just a few clicks. All the prompts I used are in the video description.
Step 2. Convert these images into animated videos. Now that we have the images, the next step is to animate them. Fortunately, we can do this inside Leonardo AI. Select an image you want to animate, then click on the small icon labeled Generate Motion Video. A new window will pop up. Click the Generate button and within a few seconds, you will have a short animated clip. However, since this feature is still relatively new in Leonardo AI, you might not be fully satisfied with the results. If that's the case, I recommend using a more advanced tool called Immensity AI. This tool specializes in converting static images into visually appealing animated videos. To get started, sign into Immensity AI. You'll be directed to a dashboard where you can upload the images you created in Leonardo AI. Once uploaded, the images will start animating automatically. On the right hand side of the screen, you will find the style that works best for your video. When you're happy with the animation, click on Export, select the appropriate settings for your video. Within a few seconds, you will have a high quality animation ready for download. This tool is a game changer because it gives you more control over the animation, making your content even more engaging and professional. Step 3 will be to finalize and edit your video using video editing software. To polish the video further, I recommend using video editing software like CapCut. CapCut is a free tool that's available on all devices. If you are unable to download it due to regional restrictions, use a VPN to access it. Once inside CapCut, you can enhance your video by adjusting the speed, adding transitions, and even duplicating the video to make it longer. For example, if your original video is only 10 seconds long, simply duplicate it and make it 20 seconds. Add a smooth transition between the clips and it will look seamless. Another tip is to increase the video speed slightly to make it more dynamic. If you want to add music, you can easily do so within CapCut, but I suggest using trending music directly from Instagram when you upload your reel. This way, your video will have better chance of gaining traction and going viral in just a few days. Monetization strategies. Now let's talk about how to make money from these videos. If you look closely at these successful faceless Instagram accounts, they are making money through three main channels. Offering freelance services, they provide custom AI generated video creation services to their followers. You might wonder why people will pay for something they could technically do themselves with AI tools. The reason is that most people either don't have time to learn the tools or aren't able to generate high quality images without extensive experience. As a result, they are more than willing to pay for the service. Selling high-resolution wallpapers. They also sell AI-generated images as high-resolution wallpapers. Many people ask, why would anyone buy these images when AI tools are readily accessible? The answer is not everyone knows how to write effective prompts to generate stunning images, making these ready-made wallpapers highly desirable. As proof, they've sold over 1,700 wallpapers at $3 each. That's over $5,000 from a single revenue stream. Selling online courses. The third way to make money is by selling an online course for $100, teaching others how to create similar AI generated images. Even though you've already learned the basics here for free, many people prefer a structured course that guides them step by step. If you grow a similar account, you could sell your own course as well. With just 10 sales a month, you'd make $1,000. If you manage to sell it to 50 people, that's $5,000 in revenue. This isn't difficult if you have an active following and know how to market your course effectively. I hope this video has given you clear insights into how you can make money with a faceless Instagram account. If you found this content useful, please like and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you for watching.